Want to monetize your YouTube videos by selling products? YouTube Shopping's affiliate program lets you tag products directly in your videos. First, make sure you meet the requirements. You need to be in the YouTube Partner Program with at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, and have monetization enabled. Next, head to YouTube Studio, go to the Monetization tab, and then Shopping. Enable shopping if it's available in your region. Full access is in the US, UK, and some EU countries. You'll also need to link an AdSense account for payments. Once you're eligible, connect your affiliate accounts. You can do this through Google Merchant Center or directly with partners like Amazon or Walmart. This setup is essential before you can start tagging products, so make sure you complete all the steps. When uploading or editing a video in YouTube Studio, look for the Add Products feature. You can find it during the editing process. Search for products by name, URL, or SKU from approved merchants you've connected. Place tags at specific timestamps in your video, ideally when you're mentioning or showing the product. Each tag should include the product image, title, price, and affiliate link. You can add up to 10 tags per video. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship in the video description using #AE or affiliate links to comply with guidelines. After publishing, monitor the performance of your tags in YouTube Analytics. Make sure to update the tags if product details change, like price drops. With YouTube's AI-assisted tagging tools, product detection is becoming more automated, saving you time and effort.